Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Ateneo Blue Eagles kontra sa UE Red Warriors 25-17, 23-25, 25-19, 25-20. Best player of the game si King Mangolabnan sa likod ng kanyang 2 points mula sa 1 block, 1 ace at may kasamang 21 excellent sets. Tinalo naman ng DLSU Green Spikers ang Inyo Bulldogs 25-19, 25-18, 31-33, 27-25. Best player of the game si Vince Maglinaw matapos nag-ambag ng 22 points mula sa 19 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace at may kasamang 8 excellent receptions. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, wagi ang Ateneo Lady Eagles kontra sa UE Lady Warriors 25-17, 23-25, 25-23, 25-16. Best player of the game si Roma Medoromal sa likod ng kanyang 23 excellent digs at 23 excellent receptions. Nakabawi naman ang Inyo Lady Bulldogs matapos pataubin ang DLSU Lady Spikers 22-25, 25-23, 25-16, 25-22. Best player of the game si Banji Alinsog sa likod ng kanyang 22 points mula sa 20 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace at may kasamang 10 excellent digs. Heto ang mga laro ng April 17, 2024 na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maghaharap ang DLSU Green Spikers at Adamson Soaring Falcons alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang UE Red Warriors at FEU Tamaraws alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang DLSU Lady Spikers at Adamson Lady Falcons alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng UE Lady Warriors ang FEU Lady Tamaraws alas 4 ng hapon. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of April 14, 2024. FEU Tamaraws 10 wins 1 loss. NU Bulldogs 9 wins 3 losses. DLSU Green Spikers 8 wins 3 losses. UST Golden Spikers 7 wins 5 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 6 wins 6 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 4 wins 7 losses. UE Red Warriors 1 win 10 losses. UP Fighting Maroons 1 win 11 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of April 14, 2024. NU Lady Bulldogs 10 wins 2 losses. UST Golden Tigresses 10 wins 2 losses. DLSU Lady Spikers 9 wins 2 losses. FEU Lady Tamaraws 7 wins 4 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 4 wins 8 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 3 wins 8 losses. UE Lady Warriors 2 wins 9 losses. UP Lady Maroons 1 win 11 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.